If your car starts just as hard as my wife's car did, it means you need a new battery. Hello guys, this is Mecowhy and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing. Well, my wife needs a new battery in her Mazda 6. This is 2015 Mazda 6. It's a 4-year-old car, and when the car sits overnight, it starts just this hard. Let's open the hood, let's pull the battery, let's run to the store, get a new replacement, and let's put it in. So I'll start by undoing the ground. There's one. Okay. Oh, that's out of the way. Let's undo the positive. Okay, that is out. Okay, now we can remove the brace that holds the battery in place. Okay. Here's our old battery. Let's take it to the store. I did a little bit of research. I found the lowest price on the 640 cold cracking apps is at Costco. I think it's $75 or so. So we are going to go to Costco. We'll get the proper battery and we'll be home in a few moments, and we'll put the battery back in the car. So we have the battery. Let's go back home. Okay, let's see how it turns on now. So as you can see, the car starts much better. We have the issue fixed. Well, I guess that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you watched my video for the very first time, please consider subscribing. See you in the next one. Peace out.